pond, nice pond. You feel me? We do it GMNG money, you know. Look at the rims. I just put these bitches on layaway, you hear me? These bitches about to be mad, boy. These bitches so young. Fuck you talking about? Them bitches, you see they, so 275, 25, by 26, boy, 26 is about to go on my shit. Boy, big boy rims, nigga, I was gonna get these. The ladies are need 26s, 26s, baby. You feel me? The bitches gonna look nice on Whitey. What y'all think? Comment below. Let me know. The bitches gonna be on the car by that next month. Let me know. Let me know what y'all think, how they gonna look on the car. Comment down below. I read all the comments, you feel me? But you already know what it is. We're gonna check back in when we get up out of it, but you already know what it is, man. It says GMNG money. We back. Leaving from home, go to work and shit. But I told y'all, man, I had a surprise for y'all, man. We went to the pawn shop, pawned the boxes and shit. They ain't really give me shit, but I wasn't gonna get no fuck. They was just gonna sit around and like that. So, you know, I'm not finna just let that shit sit. But you already know what it is, man. See, I got Whitey right here. I need to wash. Most definitely. Can't wait till man, I'm telling y'all, man, them ribs, man, them ribs. I'm telling y'all, man, them ribs. But I told you I got a surprise for y'all, man. But look what I done did, all by myself, man. All by myself. Put the speakers in the box, all by myself. Put the screws, wired it up, everything. You feel me? Fuck with me. If you need your shit done. But I only do like old school cars type shit, you feel me? Old cars type, like, you know, I ain't with all that high tech shit, you feel me? You gotta let me know what kind of car you got, and I'll see if I could do it. If I can, I'm gonna let you know. But just hit my line, you know. All my shit gonna be up on the video at the end. You already know what it is, man. It's G-Man, G-Money, you know what I'm saying? G-Man Lifestyle, you know, bring money in the house. Right now, she not feeling good. But you know what it is, man. We're gonna have more videos together, but you know, I'm like a car dude, so you know what I'm saying. I like posting my car and shit, but you know, this channel is both of us, so do not get it twisted. It's both of us, it's not just me. So you already know what it is, man. It's GMNG Money and I'm out. Like, subscribe, share this video, comment below what you think of the speakers, if you like them or not. I'm continue this video at work on break, so tune into that, and we gonna what it do? Out. I'm back, GMNG Money, you know what it is, and we at work with it. But y'all know what it is, man. I don't copyright this music, but y'all already know what it is, man. I'm finna give y'all a sound test, and you know what it is, man. How about 15-minute break? I'm finna give y'all a hear that motherfucker slamming right now. Yeah. Put it at 20. And the bass knob at. Yeah. Hey. She got a body of a goddess, everybody know that. Slim waist and a booty so fat. Yeah, you mean something, you know where I put my stash. And if shit pop off, I know you gon' have my back. You been mine, tell that nigga to relax. I'm a real nigga, I ain't scared to eat the cat. Kiss and lick and flip you on your back. If you try to run it, I'm pulling you. Girl, you so different from all of these hoes. I mean, like, fuck it, let's have us a baby. Girl, you so different from all of these hoes. We ain't just fucking, you really my baby. Yeah, just too young for commitment. Cause all of these hoes in my DM. Yeah, it's slamming. Yeah, it's slamming way harder than it used to. Yeah, every minute. Banging, man. You heard me, GMNG Money, man. You know, we back at work, man. You know what it is. Where the key fob at? You hear that motherfucker? Ooh. Nice and drop shit. Comment below how y'all think this shit sound, man. what y'all know about that in the Lincoln though, baby. You already know what it is, man. It's GMNLIFESTYLE, buddy. Y'all know what it is, man. Like, subscribe, share to this video. I already know. Man, I just want to give y'all this sound test.
I'm talking first base, second, third.
Yeah. It's only at like 21, 25. Boy, that shit loud. You heard? We out here. I do this shit. Already know it is, man. Comment below, tell me what y'all did 1 through 10, man. How that shit thumping, man. Let me know, man. But you know what it is. Y'all already know, man. Like, subscribe, share, G, you know what it is, man. It's G Money and I'm out.